Hello followers, how are you? Assalamu alaikum, and how are you? I hope you are all fine. Now we discuss about the bounty task of Gatewell Sport Infinite for future trading, margin, loan sports, copy, convert, and auto invest. To offer more diverse trading options, Gateway Sport Infinite in future trading margin. Loans, boots, copy, convert, and auto invest following the schedule below. Stay tuned and enjoy the experience. Future in USDT perpetual contract trading will be available on Gate at 10 by 10 UTC on August 7, 2025 with up to 20x leverage. In perpetual contract trading link, note copy and boots trading for the in perpetual contract will be available within 1 hour after the contract goes live. Get user 373EC1EA joins channel. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching the live streams. Launch time there if there is significant price volatility during the pre-launch phase, the contract launch may be delayed. The exact launch time will be adjusted according to actual market condition. Margin loans, the loan service and the margin for in will be available at 10:10 UTC on August 7, 2025. At the same time, in simple earn flexible crypto loan and fixed crypto loan service will be supported. Convert the in convert feature will be available on one after in sport trading goes live, allowing user to instantly convert into USDT or other supported tokens. Get user 373EC1EA joins the live channel and Denisaka Pratama joins the channel. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching the live streams. This is the auto converts is auto invest system. The in auto invest feature will be available 1 hour after the in spot market goes live. Sporting investment intervals such as hourly and daily. ATM August 7, 2025 gateway to crypto trade over 3,500 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on Gate. Mohammed bin Yassin joins the live channel and the others Gate users 63C2C7CD and 07F539B5 joins the live channel and T-Rex joins the live channel and other Gate user 8300BA9F joins the live channel and to get user 300BA9F joins live channel. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching the live streams. You joins the live channel and explore the wilderness. Joins the live channel and user ID 1440859 joins a live channel. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching the live streams. MD Jafir Ahmed and Gates user 59DEF84 joins channel. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching the live streams. Now we are discussing about the listening. If we know about the coin details, T-Rex joins the live channel. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching the live streams. We're discussing about in Infinite. Infinite is a AI-powered DeFi intelligence protocol that enables anyone to discover, evaluate, and execute DeFi opportunities through intelligent agent and natural language interface. It powered the agentic daily economy, a decentralized agent-based infrastructure where coal and DeFi experts can create and monitor strategies. While user can assess and execute multi-step DeFi strategies is in a single click by combining AI agent or prompt-based interface and one-click DeFi execute into a single platform. Infinite simplifies and de- democratizes DeFi access. Infinite is backed by Electric Capital, Maron Ventures, Hashed, Lightspeed, Faction, and may other leading investors and agents and agencies. If we see the about this is the ranking out and rankings 1062 and the market cap has $20.32 million and his circulating supply is 228.33 billion. Most welcome Gate user DC17776A4 joins the live channel. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching the live streams and follow me. Thank you so much. If we see the all-time high $0.1283 and a all-time low 0.07 thousands. Maximum supply we see is 1.00 billion in and fully diluted market cap $89.03 million. Total supply 1.00 billions and market cap fully diluted market cap 22.83%. We see the number of holding addresses 443 and listed at 68 and core algorithm ERC20. Market sentiment neutrals, and this is the contract address, and we see this is about the sum of in you will see the DeFi Infinite is an AI-powered DeFi intelligence protocol that enables anyone to discover, evaluate, and execute DeFi opportunities through intelligent agents and neutral language interface. Here joins and Melati Ali 444 joins and user ID 1440859 joins live channel. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching the live streams. Now we are discussing about the in and this is the this project is on DeFi. DeFi is it powers the agentic DeFi economically decentralized agent based infrastructure where get user CB965D99 joins channel. Thank you so much. And 08379A16 joins channel. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching the live streams. And Nawab Enterprises joins the channel. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching the live streams and welcomes in. So we did see about this is the monitor strategies with your communities while user can assess and execute multi-step DeFi strategies in a single click by combining AI agents, a prompt-based interface, and one-click DeFi execution into a single platform. Infinite simplifies and decentralizes DeFi access. Infinite is backed by Electric Capital, Mirona Ventures, Hashed, Lightspeed, Faction, and many other leading investors and NGs. The core team member of this Infinite is led by Taka Paconomy, Panameritroid, and Nippon Pitminergy CTO with 5+ years of experience across crypto. Tradifi and AI Taka graduated from UC Berkeley and was previously at Jefferies Stencil in 2020. She founded Alpha Finance, which launched Alpha Hormone, the first leverage yield farming platform. Finance, which launched Alpha Hormone. And one of launch with awards, Nippon holds dual degree from MIT, ranks third globally, the I in the IMO Hall of Fame, and previously led all research at OZ Robots. Get user CB965D99 joins channel. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching the live streams. Thanks for bundle of gifts. All of users and followers who joins my channel and watching my live stream. Thank you so much. Thanks. Bundle of thanks of all. Now we are discussing about the fundraisings. Unknown round $6 million raised. Valuation unknown. Investor Electric Capital, Mirona Ventures, Nomad Capital, Robot Ventures, Hash, Store Capital, Picture, Trident, Pestra. In game economic and incentive, many game tokens are used as in game currency for purchasing in-game items, upgrading characters, or trading. For example, a dual token economic model like Axie Infinity use one token such as ELP. All of the users and followers, thank you so much. Thanks for watching the live streams. Now we will discuss about the in about n and infinities stacking and reward mechanisms. Many projects for token stacking which provide players or token holders with additional reward and earnings by locking up token. This helps increase the stability of token holding. For example, in the game League of Kingdom, stacking and locker rules token can be used to obtain oversource and buffs. Get user BCE140DF joins channel. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching the live streams. Give Game tokens are often combined with NFTs to purchase or upgrade NFT assets. NFTs are unique digital assets that represent in-game characters, items, and more. For example, in NFT-based games, tokens can be used for breeding, leveling up, and prize draws. Cross platform or cross game use, some tokens are designed to be cross platform and compatible with multiple games or application. For example, the VMix dollars token within the VMix ecosystem can be circulated and exchanged across different games, increasing its utility and value. Ticker in token type ERC20 and maximum supply and additional issuance 10 crores maximum supply and additional issuance in circulating supply TGE 228 338 and triple three double three circulating percentage at TGE public scale price 0.04. Mino Mindset joins the Lamb Green live channel and Mentor New Brother joins channel. Thank you so much. And Oris double eight triple eight joins the live channel. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching the live streams and kindly follow me. We will discuss about the project task of Bontitos being in. If we see token allocation percentage, total supply cliff in months wasting over months wasting details. Core builder 20%. 1236 logged for 12 months, released linearly over 56 months, investor 25.5%, 1212 walk for 12 months, released linearly over 12 months. Community airdrop 5%, TG releases 30%, release 30% in the second month. If we see the market balance, Alpha, Future, BChat, Kyoku, Max 6 significant events, August 5, 2025. Infinite announces token economics, total of 1 billion token, 5% for initial airdrop, September 2025. Yo-Yo joins its live channel. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching the live streams. You see significant events August 5, 2025. Infinite announced token economics total of 1 billion tokens, 5% for initial airdrop. September 2024, Infinite raised $6 billion in funding round. The related news of this 7/8/2025 Gate will list Infinite in spot trading and future trading. All of you who follows me and joins my channel, thanks for watching the live streams. Today we discuss about the task of this discovers in evaluate and execute DeFi with all agents. Gate will list Infinite in spot trading and future trading. Blockbeats News on August 7, according to the official announcement, Gate will list Infinite and spot trading on August 7 at 18 UTC 8. Additionally, at 18:10, Infinite and perpetual contract trading USDT settled with comments of sporting 120x leverage. T-Rex joins the live channel and user ID 144085997, and the other Moaz joins the live channel. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching the live streams. Bias26 joins the channel. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching the live streams. It is listed in and about. We talked about the task of this tasks in with Gator 565 FBC28 joins the live channel. Thank you so much, MD Khalilul Islam. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching the live streams. Get live monitors, see future tradings and margin loans, boots, copy, convert, and invest. Bando joins the channel. Thank you so much. Bando joins the channel. Thank you so much. It is Faith joins the live channel. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching the live streams. Now we're discussing about these about the futures in USDT perpetual contract trading will be available on Gate on August 7, 2025 with up to 20x leverage in perpetual contract trading link. It is Faith. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Copy and boots tradings for the in perpetual contract will be available within 1 hour after the contract goes live launch time. If there is significant price volatility during the pre-launch phase, the contract launch may be delayed to the exact launch time will be adjusted according to actual market conditions. Trading parameters adjustments to mitigate mitigate market risk and improve user trading experience. It will adjust trading parameters including funding rate, tick size, maximum leverage, risk limits, and maintenance margin on as needed based on actual market conditions. Thanks for all users, all followers who joins my channel and watching the live streams. Today we discuss about the multitask of in so here we meet in on next streams, and this is right done. This is the done, and uh, okay. Mandala, thanks all followers and who joins my channel. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching the live streams. Okay, dear. Bye. Tata.